Hello, friends. Welcome to Your Body, Your Powerhouse session. So, again, in today's session, I'm going to share a beautiful mudra. So, weather is changing now. It is a transition period from summers to winter season, and in many places it's quite cold. So, today I'm going to share a mudra which is very beneficial when practiced during the winter season, as it generates a lot of heat in our body and keeps our body warm from within. So, this mudra is Linga Mudra or the Shiva Mudra. So our five fingers represents the five different elements present in our body. Our thumb represents the fire element, our index finger represents the air element, and our middle finger represents the space element, and our ring finger represents the earth element, and our little finger, the pinky finger, represents the water element. So five elements, five fingers. So today the mudra which I am going to tell you will activate the fire element in our body. So this mudra is that is why this mudra is also known as a gesture of fire. So how to do this mudra? Let me tell you. To do the ling mudra, we have to clasp up our hands in such a way that a pinky finger of right hand comes at the lower at the lower end, right, like this, huh? And then our thumb of left finger should come at the upper free hand, right? Then erect your right hand thumb like this, and then encircle it with your index finger and thumb of your left hand. So this is Linga Mudra. This is the knuckles we have to keep out. We don't need to apply a lot of force while clasping. It should be a very easy and comfortable clasp. So just this is a Linga Mudra. This is the, again I am just telling, clasp your fingers in a way that the pinky finger of right hand come at the lower end, and the thumb of your left hand must come at the upper free hand, and then we have to erect our right hand thumb and encircle it with your thumb and index finger of left hand. This is the Linga Mudra, or the gesture of fire. So we have to make this mudra, and then we have to keep it like this on your lap and or here, and sit in this mudra with your eyes closed, spine erect, with a deep long breath. And best time to practice this mudra is the morning, as this mudra has to be done empty stomach, and the maximum duration we can practice this mudra in a day is 30 minutes. So 15 minutes in the morning, or the 15 minutes in the evening, or 30 minutes altogether you can also practice, but make sure that when you are practicing this mudra, you are supposed to be empty stomach. And this mudra is very good for any kind of cold conditions. If you have running nose, cold, cough, so this benefit a lot. And this mudra helps a lot in the condition of hypothermia. Hypothermia is a condition wherein the body is generation of the heat in the body is slower than burning out. So it practicing this mudra will help the natural generation of heat in our body faster. And this mudra is very beneficial for breathing problems like asthma, and very good for digestion also. So this mudra has many benefit, but because this mudra activates the fire element, there are certain precautions also which should be taken while practicing this mudra. So if anybody is having fever, please do not practice this mudra. And if somebody has a pitta prakriti, so please don't practice this mudra. Or if pitta prakriti and pitta is is very high, then please do not practice this mudra. If you have high BP problem or a bile problem, or you are very short tempered, so please avoid practicing this mudra. And one more important thing is, because it generates a lot of heat, so it may cause dehydration. So please drink a lot of water before you practice this mudra. So with these precautions, practice this mudra, enjoy the natural warmth in your body, and enjoy the winter season, and stay away from cold, cough, and all these seasonal issues. Practice this mudra. Thank you, and share your feedback. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.